Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making perfect Japanese rice, cooked in a pot, no rice cooker needed. Before we begin, a quick note on the importance of rice in Japan. Rice is at the heart of Japanese food culture. Rice farming took root in Japan more than 2,500 years ago, and since then, rice has been deeply woven into the Japanese way of life. Prayers for a good harvest and gratitude for rice are still seen today in festivals and rituals across Japan. In Japanese, the phrase gohan o taberu, literally to eat rice, can also mean to have a meal. Today, most households in Japan use a rice cooker, but in this recipe, we'll show you how to cook perfect Japanese rice using just a pot, easy to make anywhere in the world. Alright, let's start cooking. First, measure the rice. Use Japanese short grain rice. In Japan, rice is measured in a unit called go. 1 go is about 150 grams, about 5.3 ounces, which makes roughly 2 bowls of cooked rice. Accurate measurement is essential for cooking great tasting rice. Pour in the water all at once, stir gently 2 or 3 times and drain it immediately. Rice grains are coated with fine bran and residue, which can affect flavor and texture. Because dry rice absorbs the first water quickly, stir briefly and discard it right away for a clean, pure taste. Add a small amount of water and gently swirl the rice with your fingertips. Modern rice is well milled, so there's no need to scrub it. A light, gentle motion is enough. Add water to rinse the rice, then drain it once the water turns cloudy. Repeat this rinse and drain process 2 or 3 times. There's no need to rinse until the water runs completely clear. This helps preserve the rice's natural sweetness and texture. Next, soak the rice. Use water around 50 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjusting for the season helps keep the rice consistent. As a guide, soak the rice until the grains turn opaque white. Fully hydrated rice cooks up fluffy and evenly. Now it's time to cook the rice. A heavy pot is ideal, but any regular pot with a lid will work. Use about 200 milliliters of water per go. Soft water works best because it has fewer minerals, so the rice hydrates more easily and cooks up fluffier. If using hard water, increase the water by about 5 to 10%. Cover the pot and heat over medium heat. Do not touch it until it comes to a boil. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and cook for about 10 to 14 minutes. When the sound changes from bubbling to crackling, quickly check that there's no water left at the bottom of the pot. If there's no water left, cover it, turn off the heat, and let the rice steam for 10 minutes. When you smell a toasty aroma and see small holes on the surface, the rice is ready. Once the steaming is done, fluff the rice. Do this right away. Insert the rice paddle vertically and gently lift and turn the rice from the bottom to loosen it. This releases steam, removes excess moisture, giving you light, well-defined grains. Scoop lightly and serve gently. This keeps the rice airy, fluffy, and at its best.
Itadakimasu.
Check the description for how to cook rice in a frying pan, how to store cooked rice, and more tips for great results. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.